Today we are trying Pepsi Zero Sugar Strawberry and Cream flavor.
So this is a very rare find, so we are very excited to try it.
काफी अच्छा पॉप है. स्ट्रॉबेरी की स्मेल काफी अच्छी आ रही है, वेरिएंट आ रही है.
What happened?
ये पता है कैसा लग रहा है? If you guys remember, Fanta strawberry flavor में try करा था. Somewhat like that.
Really?
Exactly. थोड़ा cream का flavors है, but it's more of mix of that.
It's good, but the strawberry is a little chemically and the cream flavor is good. So I would rate it like a 6 out of 10. So we have a lot of exciting products lined up for you guys for us to review. आज हमने try किया strawberry cream and soda. To know where to get it from, comment down below and we'll send you the link.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.